In this video, I'm going to show you how you can import PDF invoices into Tally. If you haven't installed Tally Reports add-on, install it from here. Extension add-ons, get add-ons. Here you can search Tally Reports. Now click on the add-on and install it from here. Once it gets installed, you will be able to see Tally Reports add-on here. Now you have to start port listener. If you don't have the Tally ODBC port listener, you can download it from here. Tally Reports, reference link, download link, Tally port listener. On Tally port listener, you can select any IP. Like I am going to select IP 127 local IP, and I want to use port 9090. Now here I have to mention Tally ODBC port. If you don't know, you can check on Tally site. Go to help, about, now you can see port is 9001. So now I am specifying here 9001. Port started on local IP 9090. Now on Google Sheet, I already mentioned here 127 local IP, ODBC port and Tally company. Google Sheet import and the period I have selected here. Now we will import PDF invoices. Go to Tally Reports, Post Vouchers in Tally, PDF invoices, extract invoice data. Here you can select your PDF invoices. I will show you the invoice copy. Now we will select both the invoices. It will start extracting the data. Now data has been extracted. We don't need those columns. We have extracted both the invoices here. Now we will import it into Tally. PDF invoice import into Tally. Now it will start importing both the transaction into Tally. It will start checking pages and the stock items in Tally. Now we can check in Tally. See, both the transaction imported successfully in Tally. If you check the first invoice, with the GST details, everything. invoice 2 with the IGST. Now both the transactions imported successfully with the G. Remember, you should have ledger name, purchase account, and CGST, SGST, and IGST ledgers without the mentioning any percentage. You can import normal transactions also from here. If you want to import, you can mention the same IP port and the company where you want to import. You can fill the data according to your transaction detail. You can import here from Tally report, post vouchers, import vouchers, and import vouchers in Tally. It will start importing all the transactions into Tally. If you don't have this company or demo company, just open it from here. Now again go to Tally reports, post vouchers, import vouchers in Tally. Now you can check on 4th July the transactions. If you don't find all the transactions, you can check on event log for ledger missing. If the ledger is missing here, Tally will fail to post the transaction to Tally. So remember that the ledger's cost center you have mentioned here, it should be on the Tally company. Thanks for watching this video.